The only thing which can save us from this pandemic is mass vaccination. Hi, welcome to my the voice. Are you worried about vaccination? Especially which vaccine is better or more efficient in India? Here is some details. A few common things in all the vaccines are the doses. All vaccines have 2 doses, and demonstrated to be safe and efficacious, authorized by national regulators. There are a total of 3 vaccines available in India. Number 1. Covishield. Developed by Oxford University and AstraZeneca. AstraZeneca is a British-Swedish multinational pharmaceutical and biotechnology company. Covishield is a modified version of a weakened version of a common cold virus from chimpanzees which look more like coronavirus, although it can't cause illness. After being injected into a patient, it prompts the immune system to start making antibodies and primes it to attack any coronavirus infection. Covishield is 63% effective in an ongoing, large-scale clinical trial. Covishield 90% effective if doses given after a gap of 2 to 3 months. Claimed by Serum Institute of India CEO Adar Poonawalla. Serum Institute of India, the world's largest vaccine manufacturer. They are producing more than 60 million doses a month. Number 2. Covaxin. The 2 doses are given 4 weeks apart. The vaccine has an efficacy rate of 81%, data from its Phase 3 trial shows. Bharat Biotech says it has a stockpile of 20 million doses of Covaxin, and is aiming to make 700 million doses out of its 4 facilities in 2 cities by the end of the year. The 3rd phase of the trial was still underway. Number 3. SputnikV. Sputnik is the only vaccine which has efficacy over 90% in the world. It uses a cold-type virus, engineered to be harmless, as a carrier to deliver a small fragment of the coronavirus to the body. After being vaccinated, the body starts to produce antibodies especially tailored to the coronavirus. It can be stored at temperatures of between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, making it easier to transport and store, especially in Indian conditions. Unlike other vaccines in India, this vaccine has different formulas in each dose, so body can be prepared for more variants. Reaction and allergy complaints are less than other vaccines. My last note before wrapping the video. The very important thing which we need to remember is there is no study which backs the claims of vaccines against every variant. Perhaps there is not enough time for these studies to be performed and reports get published. If you experience any side effect, please contact or visit your health provider, vaccinator, officer supervising your vaccination, or immediately go to the nearest hospital. Thank you for watching this video. Our team made a lot of research and hard work to make this video. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to our channel My The Voice and share with your friends.